Dear Lord, have mercy. There has been more flopping and gropers in our Discord channel since our video with the Oracle than ever. Here's what I'm gonna say. We need to establish some rules, because as new fish come into the fish tank, they start dirtying up the place. And I have people in place and rules in place to keep these things clean. Rule number 1, nobody else cares, and I'm not just talking about me, but trust me, no one else cares about what you think is gonna happen next, or what you think other people should do. If you really can't help yourself, and you just have to tell the world what you're doing and why, that's okay. But you click on this where it says, I think that. This is where you can post all your shit. When I scroll through this chat, me and a couple other people that I've ordained, this is where we like post what the hell we're doing and why. And when you guys are flooding this, people can't scroll because there's too much shit here. There's too much, especially when tensions are high. Right now, as everyone's flopping and groping because shit's pumping, whether it's pumping up or pumping down, this is the worst time for you to say your opinion, because nobody cares, okay? Nobody cares. Now, let's talk about what could be potentially happening. We've already seen this. If you guys don't remember, last week we've done this same shit. We were up to 65, 6,300. I doubt that we stay green for longer than a day. If you guys don't remember, we were pumping up. Everyone thought it was, oh, we found the bottom and everything's over. Then it goes back down again. Then last week, we went all the way down to 6,000. We went back up again all the way to 6,600. Oh, it's done. This is the bottom. Whoop! Next day, never mind. We went right back fucking down to 5,900. Okay? Oh, shit. And then we go up again. Now, since we've gone down further, we have to retract and go up a little bit. So guess what, folks? Japan and Korea were long. But do you know what China's doing right now? China is setting up shorts. And I can't wait. I can't wait for the Chinese to break everybody's spines. Every asshole that comes into my Discord talking about how, oh, they're doing all this shit now and how they're longing at the top and all this shit. So, I've been telling you folks, we've had to prepare ourselves for a potential 6,800 high. Why? Because we have a stupid Head and Shoulders. My most hated indicator. I hate Head and Shoulders because everyone talks about Head and Shoulders. Oh, it's a Head and Shoulders. Like they know what they're talking about. Just like this Head and Shoulders, we had reverse Head and Shoulders. So it could potentially be time for another. So, that's what I'm doing. I said in my chat that if I have to sit on this short for 2 days, I will, because right now I'm getting paid by Bitmex to hold my short. I made sure I had enough leverage, make sure I got enough BTC to back my ass up. My liquidation price is $69.45, so I'm gonna, enter into play at 6,900. I have a little bit here. We're gonna look at the market, but look at this, folks. Look, we just got pushed down a little further, and so Bitcoin many times goes up further than the last time. And yeah, this certainly could keep going up all the way up. Hell, it could go up to 10,000. Who knows? But in times like this is when we zoom out and really look at a picture of reality. Let me see if I can change this. Ah, much better. So let's take a look at reality, folks. The reality of the situation is we haven't seen the bottom yet. We're about to get Chinese squeezed, like we have been for the past 6 years. And guess what? You guys are going to be squirming. You guys are going to be squirming so much harder. Look, here's your little head and shoulders. Here's your head and shoulders. Right here. And that might even fail. And then what do you think happens next? Next, we're going down, baby. Down like a clown. I read an amazing article from a certain someone talking about if there's no ETF catalyst to push the bull run, what would cause Bitcoin to go up next? And basically he was talking about the price of Bitcoin needs to go down to the point where miners start turning off their machines, which is around like $5,000, so to speak. So here's your head and shoulders. Here's your bullshit. You know what? If we go up to 8,000, then so be it. So be it. So be it. But it looks a little too early to me. We just had a big panic sell-off here. It's pushing back up for a day. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the flip side when shit goes back down and everyone's doubting themselves again.